Good morning. Welcome. I would like to present to you some Greek cooking, and one of the dishes I have chosen to present to you is vegetable croquette, which are very popular and easy to prepare and easy to digest because they are light and they are healthy, and they're made with all fresh ingredients, which we really love in Greece. Let's start with the ingredients. What you need is carrots, which are here, and I have grated them. You need potatoes, here, they're grated. And you need zucchinis, which are here, and they are grated. The way I have grated them, for you to know, is I have used this grater. And I use the thinner side because it makes the pieces thinner and they are more pleasant when you eat them, and they cook also faster. So you take the carrot, you peel it, and you grate it. Now the vegetables, when they are grated, they tend to release a lot of water. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of the water because otherwise the croquette will become very soggy. So one way of doing it is by squeezing the water out, and I use a sieve because it makes it easier, and I put the carrots in and just, you see the water and the liquids coming out. So you squeeze them really well, as much as possible, and so it becomes dry. And carrot, now we do the same with the potato. The potato has a lot more water. Now you can see how much water the potato has. There you go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add all the other ingredients. The best thing is to break the eggs separately in a plate. That's a safer way. And once you know that it's clean, you add it. We have salt, pepper, and paprika. Grated as well. I use the same grater to grate the onion. Regular flour. You can use plain all-purpose flour for this. The quantities are in the recipe. And this is corn flour. Cheese. So here I have chosen a mixture of Gouda and cheddar. You can use Parmesan. And last but not least, some parsley. And we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So that's it. And now we have to mix all of this together. If your mixture becomes too watery because you haven't drained your vegetables well, you can remedy that by adding a little bit of flour that will take the moisture and the extra water out. So as you see, as I'm working, the mixture, it becomes soft and very easy to work with. I think it's ready. Now, there are two ways of cooking these croquettes. If you're really into health cooking, you can put them on a baking sheet and bake them in the oven, which is lighter and probably easier for the cook. What makes them a little bit tastier, I think, in my opinion, but it takes more work, is to fry them but you have to use good olive oil. So if you want, we can do both. We can put some in the oven and we can fry some. You will see that there isn't a big difference in the end result, but some people like the one way, other people like the other way. There we go. Now we're going to prepare the little croquette. You can use your hands if you want, or you can use spoons. And the size you can adjust according to your taste. They can be bite-sized, you can make them larger, and they make excellent appetizers. There we go. The oven is ready. Put them in and wait approximately half an hour until they become a little bit brown, and we take them out. And as soon as the oil starts sizzling, we're going to add the croquettes. And before you turn them around, let them create a little crust so that they're more manageable and they don't break apart. Just put them on the paper so the paper will absorb the little bit of extra oil. There will be a little bit of oil on them, and it's good for them to be dried out. Okay, I think these are ready. And these are the ones that came out of the oven. As you see, they're not oily at all. They're dry. But in appearance, they're not much different than the other ones. And we can garnish them with a little bit of parsley on top.
So, Margarita, what do you suggest we have next?
I think you should try the croquettes.
Willingly.
These here are oven baked, and these are the fried ones. So I think
suppose
you should
I should have one of each.
One of each.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
There we go.
And I suggest that they accompany them with some white wine. What we have today is a white wine from Santorini. It's a grape called Assyrtiko, which is an indigenous grape of Greece. So, and it's ideal for fish and other ingredients.
What do you think?
I tried first the fried one, which was very nice, very light, very tasty. But what is important is that it is indeed very light, so it's a great appetizer. Of course, eating something light is a trap because you eat too many. But anyway.
Do you find a difference between the oven-baked ones and the fried ones?
Not really, but I personally prefer the oven-baked ones.
Because you think they are healthier?
No, I prefer them. I usually don't prefer healthy things.
Please try and make these dishes at home. They are all easy, quick, and with basic ingredients, which you can find here. And I really hope you will enjoy them.
Very tasty.
Thank you.